Hi people, this is Siddhi, your very own book cobbler. I'm going to talk about a classic book. Classic क्योंकि everyone on BookTube has made a video and this particular book, and this is my turn. So make sure that you watch this video till the end because इस पे मैंने बहुत मेहनत की है. By God. This is going to be a review video of Unfinished by Priyanka Chopra. Now that Priyanka Chopra has also ventured into writing, video बनाना तो ज़रूरी बनता है. As Piggy Chops writes in this book is about her emotional evolution and growth. This is sort of a memoir, an autobiography, तो heartwarming होना ज़रूरी है. She is going to talk about her journey in this book, how she started modeling, how she ventured for pageants, beauty pageants, and then how she entered Bollywood, how she ventured into Hollywood, how she released her single, and how she went into productions. This is going to be the lineup for this particular book. There are a lot of incidences, episodes, anecdotes that are ventured in this book. What I love the most about this heartwarming aspect of this book is her relationship with her parents. In this particular part about her bachpan, she also speaks about how she got her first boyfriend, and she also talks about how she was bullied and there was a lot of racism in her class, and she was the one who, she was called Kali. So she talks about all of that. In the bachpan side, these are all bittersweet memories that we come across. We move on to her years where she is running for the beauty pageants, and we see a lot of drama there. Drama as in a lot of struggle there that she faces, and how she is smart and jump all the hurdles and win those pageants. When we talk about her journey into Bollywood, she is open about a few things that we also know from the grapevine, which is patriarchy, bullying. Then there is a lot of sexism. There is a lot of exclusionism, favoritism that happens in Bollywood, and a woman is always told to keep her head down and keep smiling. That is what she was also told. She writes in this book. So that is something I liked about this book. A few people on my Instagram DM asked me if this particular book mentions about her love Nick Jonas. So हाँ भाई साहब, हाँ बहन जी, there is a mention about Nick Jonas. She writes an entire chapter on her shadi, and it gives you all the details that are pertaining to her shadi, right from her designing the wedding trousseau, वो सब है, and also about her dating shitting. So you can obviously go through that, and it was another heartwarming aspect of this book. It also speaks about being the UNICEF National Ambassador, and that was an aspect in this book which I loved reading totally, which was a side of Priyanka Chopra I was not aware of. Understand one thing here, I am not a big fan of Priyanka Chopra. I read this book under the pressure because everyone else was reading it and talking about it, and I also wanted to do that. Towards the end, there is a fairy tale-ish ending because she speaks about her new house and her graha pravesh, how her dream house has a garden के आगे गुलमोहर का पेड़ के नीचे एक bench, and she can lounge there and dream and do creative stuff and all that jazz. That was quite dramatic, and I think that was the intention. When you're closing the book, you see that there is a lot of perseverance that goes into making Priyanka Chopra who she is. There is a lot of hard work, there is a lot of struggle, because she doesn't hail from Bollywood family like the other. But you also see that there is a lot of wits, drama and PR stunts that make a celebrity a celebrity. Priyanka Chopra, you cracked me up when you said that American, English and Hindi are 3 languages you are fluent in and you are trilingual. All these years I was thinking that American is an accent. She also speaks about her controversy where she meets the Prime Minister wearing the Western clothes. I thought that was kind of unnecessary, but since it was a part of her life, mentioning that was imperative. Another thing that cracked me up was the trend about her armpits, and that was an absurd trend. But after that, even I was obsessed with my armpits. So she mentions about that, and that really cracked me up. The last thing that cracked me up was how Priyanka Chopra met her pup Diana. She met her pup Diana during an interview. You can read about it in her book. But really, Diana, you are truly a woman at heart. You're truly meant for that luxurious life that you're living right now, and lots of love, hugs and kisses to you. So that was it. These are my opinions about Priyanka Chopra's memoir Unfinished. Unfinished because she's going to continue her journey, and we are going to see her entertaining us through her production house and her upcoming ventures. Last word on if you should pick it up or no. If you're a die-hard Priyanka Chopra fan, then you should definitely pick it up. If you are not a Priyanka Chopra fan, then I think you can skip it because it is unnecessary. Peer pressure में आके मत read करना जैसे मैंने read किया है. So that's it. I will be back with more bookish videos. Till then, happy reading and bye.